This is what I was talking about in the last video about dunking your plants before bringing them inside. I brought in a couple of critters once before and I decided I didn't want to do that anymore. So I discovered by research and looking around that this is one way of getting rid of them. You dunk this plant or your plant in water. Some say with sudsy water. I haven't gotten to that point yet. For 15 minutes, then hose them off. Make sure there's nothing left on the leaves. Let it drain, and then you can bring it inside. And I decided I wanted to do this because this started looking pretty cute, and I thought this would look nice inside. But only the plant, not the critters. They say do it for 15 minutes and lo and behold, there they are. Ew, that's what would have come in the house if I had not dunked this. Everything that's moving right now is alive and something I do not want in the house. Yuck. Jeez, little bees. A frog would have come in with it too. Look at that. Oh, you do have to be careful about bringing house plants from outside in. Oh my goodness. I decided to dunk it a second time. This time using non-degreaser type soap. And woo, you might think twice about bringing plants inside. And they're not moving as much now, but when I started to do this, everything that was moving would have been in my house. I see that kind of creature. There's something moving right here. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's one of those centipede type thing, I think. There were little ants. And after you dunk it, you let it dry out in the sun and you see things coming out of the bottom of it, trying to get away from the soapy water and from water in general. They thrive on plants that are too dry, but you certainly don't want to make them too wet either. So I'm not saying do this, I'm not saying don't do it, but think about it before you do. Might do some searching about how to do this properly before you do it. But I thought I'd try it and I'd share it with you.